Okay, so today we're gonna find out what seals a radiator hose. Is it gonna be flex tape, flex glue, or duct tape? So yeah, let's find out. This is my BMW 330xi and it currently does not have a coolant leak. So I'm gonna make one hole here, another hole here, and then another hole here. And then we'll see which one works. This is so weird, man. Intentionally cutting a hole in it. Okay, there we go. It's definitely a hole. And look at that. This one, and there you go. I'm gonna clean it up with this denatured alcohol. Hopefully that's what you use to clean rubber. Get that pretty wet. We're gonna clean her up, baby. We're gonna start out with this thing right here. It says it bonds to anything. Let's see about that, buddy. Let's see how you bond to this. Look at how it's sticking to. Dang, man. This actually might work. Dude, this is like tar. This is ridiculously sticky. Here, I'll start it over here. That was insane. That was so sticky shit, bro. That actually might work. I didn't think that was even an option, but that one actually might work. And after that we got after that we got duct tape. This is not very convincing. I mean, it's sticky. I don't think this is gonna work, because why would it work, right? Okay, here's duct tape. I don't know, bro. No, there's no way duct tape works, right? On flex glue, I kind of thought it would be a good idea to grab like an old rubber tube and glue it onto that. I think you can see the cut right here. We're gonna open it up, and then we're gonna put it here. Okay, apply liberally. Holy cannoli. Spread it around, baby, and then we'll just put it on there. That has some potential, like judging on how sticky it was, it has some potential. That's gonna blow straight through the friggin' duct tape. Dude, I feel like I need to put more on it. I'm gonna put more on it. Today is Monday, February 12th at 1:56. Alright, so it's been like 3 days, so we'll find out if this worked. I forgot I need to assemble some of the intake or else it won't run, so I'll do that. So now I'm just gonna put this thing on so it builds pressure. We'll see what happens, right? So this feels a little warm, but not too warm. Okay, so the duct tape gave up. As you can see right there, it's dripping. And I think that's from the duct tape. It looks like the Flex Seal did good, but the duct tape not doing too good. There's the leak. You see it? There we go. Duct tape doesn't work. But I still have confidence in this Flex Seal. So I kind of want to clean it up and then put some of this on that part. See what happens. Dripping down there. It's almost at operating temperature. So this has been a surprising success. This is not leaking at all. This is not leaking anything. That's the Flex glue. This is the Flex tape. And here, I'll show you inside. The car is at full operating temperature. Oh, we got a leaker. Never mind, it is leaking. No. Alright. It's leaking. Which is like expected, right? I guess what I can do is wait for it all to leak out and then we'll inspect that thing. It looks like even the flex glue, this isn't even dry. Look at this. No way, man. That's so whack. It didn't even seal. It didn't even dry. It dried around. What can I say about Flex Seal products? They're not good for fixing radiator hoses, but they might be good for fixing leaks on a gutter. And that's about all I got from it. Kind of disappointing.